Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw in color another big number block. Number block 1300. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's draw a big, tall rectangle for number block 1000.
Every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our work.
And right beside it, a smaller rectangle for 300. Wow! That's two rectangles together. One big and one medium.
Purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it, we can blend it.
Now we'll add one vertical line and 7 horizontal lines for our big blocks. And then we'll add all little blocks inside the big blocks. Now add 30 vertical lines going top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yay! 30 vertical lines complete. Now draw 72 horizontal lines across. Let's look inside the lines again. Each row adds 20 blocks, and this time we'll count 50 rows in total. Then in the middle, we'll make a smaller block to show the section of 300. Let's fill them first all by counting in 20s. Here we go. Count with me. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 540, 560, 580, 600, 620, 640, 660, 680, 700, 720, 740, 760, 780, 800, 820, 840, 860, 880, 900, 920, 940, 960, 980, and 1,000. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, and 300. Now let's draw his face, starting with the eyebrows, eyes, and a big happy smile. He looks ready to count.
Shaded color in number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next. Color every single one, step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them fast.
Next, draw 2 hands, one on each side, and 2 legs at the bottom. Now let's write his number, 1,300 at the top. 30 1,300. That's 1,300 blocks together.
Drawing every single
Fantastic work! You've drawn number block 1,300. Now let's color him in and bring him to life.
3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7,
First,
8, 9,
take your black
10.
color
Start it all again.
and fill the
This is
eyes
art.
and inside mouth
This is
area.
fun. This is art. Drawing
B
every little
L
part makes
A
the magic
C
truly
K black. Use dark pink to color the outer outline of number block 1,300.
Every tone makes the
D
best we've ever
A
seen.
R K P I N K. Dark pink.
Now we finish nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count.
Now use purple for the eye outlines, eyebrows, happy smile, hands, and legs. P U R P L E, purple. Purple makes him look so strong.
Color and count, count and color, learning numbers like no other. Let's draw the number blocks, nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up,
Now
line
color
goes
the
down,
big
every block in the
rectangle,
right space.
the 1,000 block section with
We don't
red.
need to rush the
R
pace.
E
Color inside,
D,
stay inside, make it
red.
bright just like the sun.
Red for
Red,
power
blue, yellow,
and
green,
strength.
this coloring time is fun. Number blocks appear alive, every number we create. One by one they come alive, this magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside, fill it soft and neat.
Did you know 1,300 means 13 groups of 100? 1,300! That's a lot of tens. Each 100 is made of 10 tens. So 1,300 equals 13 times 100 equals 130 times 10.
1 to 10. Pick a color, pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build a number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks standing in a line. Now we color one by one, add each tone with careful hands. Number blocks can teach us counting, number blocks can make us stand. Every color brings a feeling, every line brings new design. Learning math and art together makes the brain and heart align. Counting higher, counting further, 20, 30, 40 more. Numbers rising like a tower.
And now color the smaller side rectangle, the 300 block section with yellow. Y E L L O W, yellow. Yellow adds the sunshine.
Pick a color, pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build the number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7.
Great job, everyone! Our number block 1,300 looks amazing. Let's count together by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. And then plus 300 more makes 1,100, 1,200, 1,300. 1,300. That's 1,300. Let's break it down. 1,000 plus 300 equals 1,300. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more number block drawing and coloring fun. See you next time, friends.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.